Galvanometer. Galvanometer is a sensitive device which works on the same principle as that of an electric motor that we have studied earlier. We can make some electrical measurements with it. A coil is positioned between the pole pieces of a magnet in such a way that the pointer on the galvanometer dial is connected to it. When a small current, for example 1 mA, flows through the coil will rotate. The rotation will be proportional to the current. Voltmeter and ammeter also work on the same principle. In galvanometer, the pointer deflects on both the sides of the zero mark depending on the direction of the current. Try this. Collect the material as shown in figure. Complete the circuit by connecting the galvanometer. Keep the bar magnet erect in such a way that its north or south pole is just below the copper wire. Now, if the wire is kept moving from A to B, the pointer of the galvanometer gets deflected. This is called Faraday's electromagnetic induction. Now, move the magnet with the wire fixed. The galvanometer pointer still gets deflected. Complete the circuit as shown in figure. Discuss about and select the components as required. In this experiment, if we open the plug key and make the current 0 in the coil, the pointer of the galvanometer deflects to a side and quickly comes back to 0. If the current in the coil is started again, the pointer again deflects to the other side and then returns quickly to 0. Now, when the electrical current is flowing through the solenoid coil and the solenoid coil is displaced with respect to the coil, the current is still produced in the coil. What can be inferred from these two experiments? Even if the solenoid coil is kept stationary, a change in current in the solenoid coil produces a current in the coil. If the solenoid coil is moved towards or away from the coil, we see a deflection in the galvanometer. Also, the faster is the displacement of the solenoid, larger is the deflection of the galvanometer pointer. If the current in the solenoid coil is changed, a current is produced in the coil, or if the solenoid coil is moved towards the coil, then also a current is produced in the coil.